Yo, what is up? Today I'm going to show you how to make Memphis vocals, all 100% original. We're going to hop right in. I look kind of crusty, but it's all good because I'm about to show you something that ain't crusty. Get it? So someone asked me, a lot of people asked me how I did it. So I'm going to show you how I did it. This is the first step. You go to ChatGPT and then you ask it, make me a prompt that will generate Memphis vocals. And then I got this one right over here. That's what I use. Feel free to use it. We're just gonna make something. You could put like what key you want it in, what BPM. I like my samples around 120 to 140. That's my max. You also want ChatGPT for this. And then we're just gonna do this. Okay, we're gonna put give me a prompt for Suno on making a Memphis-style song with chance. You got to do a bunch of testing, bro. It took me a while to get the Memphis shit, so we're doing this one. Please.
Smoke in my lungs, can't feel no fear. Step through the smoke in my lungs, can't feel no fear. Step through the dark.
That's what we fucking want. Let's just check the other one really quick, then we'll double back. Okay, and then now we're gonna get stems or MIDI, vocals plus instrument, and we're just gonna extract the vocals.
Can't feel no.
That is one Memphis vocal down. That's basically how you do it. Let's do one more just so I can show y'all.
Right, slow, bass, shake, feel the grave, take spin, low, growl in my chest, can't cleanse my sins, hood it up, mask.
Remember, you want to go here, get stems, MIDI, extract for 10 credits, and we're just going to pull the vocals. It gives you two versions, so you can see which one sounds more full and more natural and shit, you know what I'm saying?
Slow, bass, shake, feel the grave, take spin, low, growl in my chest, can't cleanse my sin.
I like the first one, download. I'll name this shit Ride Slow Bass Shake. All I did was chop the first half and then just bring it over because the last half was just butt cheeks, but this sounds a lot better. Let's see.
Right, slow, bass shake, feel the grave, take spin, low, growl in my chest, can't cleanse my sin.
Okay, let's see which one sounds better. Okay, that kind of sounds like some like FIFA compilation shit. So this one's definitely better. Since we're running out of time here, I'm gonna go and splice really quick. Let's just find a melody loop and then a Memphis drum loop, and then we'll see what we get with the vocal. Type in Memphis loop.
Cleanse my sins, right, slow, bass shake, feel the grave, take spin, low, growl in my chest, can't cleanse my sin, feel the grave, take spin, low, growl in my chest, can't cleanse my sin, in my chest, can't cleanse my sins, right, slow, bass shake, feel the grave, take spin, low, growl in my chest, can't cleanse my sin.
Yo. So my camera just died. Froze on me, but I have it quickly arranged. These are all loops, so it's not really my original shit. I just did something really quick for you guys. I'm gonna ask you guys, please like, comment, subscribe, and tell me if you do with this new method of how to make vocal chops, Memphis vocal chops, OG ass, that you could use for your beats. Please, again, like, comment, subscribe, join the Discord if you wanna cook up some shit together, and I appreciate you guys. Here we go.
Right, slow, bass shake, feel the grave, take spin, low, growl in my chest.